How to lighten dark underarms at home naturally? Dark spots in the armpits are often the result of poor cleansing in this area of the body, excessive sweating, use of certain deodorants, dead skin cells, hereditary factors, among others. This problem does not usually affect the health of those who suffer, however it affects the aesthetics of women and makes her embarrassed, especially if her skin is a light tone. Fortunately, there are different natural alternatives that help to treat this problem and return the clear tone to this part of the skin. To get good results when applying any of them, it is good to do a pre-cleaning of the armpit, avoid using deodorants with alcohol content, avoid using razors to shave, maintain a balanced diet and healthy habits. Do you want to know the best treatments for armpit whitening? 1. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is an ideal product to reduce and eliminate armpit stains, as it visibly brightens the black appearance and gives it a soft and delicate tone. This product is very easy to acquire and will also serve to avoid bad odors in this area of the body. 2. Lemon. The acidity of the lemon will help to remove the dead cells that are lodged in the armpit, and thanks to this will have a lightening power that will remarkably reduce the spots in this area of the skin. You should put the lemon directly on the stain, or you can also apply the juice with a cotton. It is important not to be exposed to the sun, as this can make the black appearance worse. 3. Yogurt and oats. Yogurt has disinfectant and refreshing properties, which help clean the skin by removing dead cells. Oatmeal, on the other hand, provides softness and is an excellent exfoliant to facilitate the deep cleaning of the skin. This treatment will whiten the armpits and give you a very spectacular young and soft appearance. All you have to do is to mix the natural yogurt with a tablespoon of oatmeal, then apply in the affected areas, make gentle massages, and remove after 5 minutes, with plenty of water. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.